We are standing in the lovely courtyard of the Basilica of Born Jesus, and the Basilica of Born Jesus, like always, is abuzz with activity, with pilgrims from all over the world who come. And especially in the 9 days before the feast of Saint Francis Xavier, which is going to be held right now on the 3rd of December, we're going to have the feast mass, which will be held right here.
हे आमचें वर्सान जाता तें पारंपरीक फेस्त गोंयचोच लोक न्हय पूण आख्खो संवसारभर लोक ह्या आमच्या गोंयच्या सायबाच्या फेस्ताक उमेदीन रावता आनी ह्या 9 दिसांच्या नोयेनान तयारी कोत्ता व्हडल्या दिसाक.
Boy. And to tell us a little bit more, like always, we have Father Patricio Fernandez, the rector of the Basilica of Born Jesus, who is with us here. And Father, thank you very much for your time with us. And if you could tell us about the preparations this year. Once again, we're going to have, I think, the masses who will be taking part in the feast.
Sure.
Yes.
So this year, COVID is still somewhere lurking, but people are much more at home with it.
Yes.
As usual, when the things start, there's a real fear, and after that, people are ready to face it, a lot of things. But however, precaution has to be taken, and the government said to us to please follow the SOPs, keep distance, and do the sanitizing. So we have been taking care of that at the entry points. And inside, since we have to keep the distance, we have to make the pendle slightly bigger. With this, today some people told me, oh wow, it looks so humongous, and people look so near. It's a different kind of an experience just being in this pendle. It's uplifting. Yes, it is also very charged with presence. Everyone is doing so much of devotion, praying. Yes, it is very good. Now, in order to keep also the social distance, we felt that the masses also need to be spaced out. So we have kept an hour and a half gap between each mass, and therefore we started masses at 5 o'clock in the morning. The next mass at 6:30, 8, 9:30, 11, 12:30, 2, 3:30, 5, and the last mass, which is in English, we kept it at 6:15 because the people have to go back and it will get too late. So this is more or less the structure. However, in this structure, we have also accommodated the people of Goa and all the parishes. All the parishes are clubbed together in a deanery.
Okay.
So they come deanery-wise, and where the deaneries are smaller, the churches are fewer, we have clubbed them together. But we have also made space for the Sunday, where we do not want to have the deaneries, but open for all the people to come. And on the feast of St. Catherine of Alexandria, the patroness of the Say Cathedral, we've kept a gap because people go there for the High Mass. And on that day, the 25th, we had the interfaith religious dialogue. So that day there were no masses. However, these deanery masses, there are 2 of them. One at 8, the other is 9:30. And that's a different kind of an experience for the whole of Goa to congregate here. In the evening, the 3:30 Mass is kept for the center. There are several centers in the diocese which are operating. It's kept for them. So that is a special Mass, and the English Mass, of course, it's kept for the religious and who do not know Konkani. So we've given them a chance to come and celebrate. This is about the structure. However, you might want to know about the feast day. The feast day, what happens is there are thousands of people who stay overnight.
Yes.
And that's a great experience for them. So after that, at 2 or 2:30, they begin to come for the veneration. And they start congregating in the pendle. So this year, they're going to have the Mass at 3:30, because if you have it at 4, that kind of 1.5 hour spacing is not happening. So 3:30, people are already geared to that, and they are telling me they're looking forward to that great excitement. It's a real bonanza kind of a thing outside. People are doing all kinds of things. Yes. And so that is how it will be. 3:30, 5, 6:30, 8. After that, we will be having the High Mass, Feast of St. Francis Xavier, which will be at 10 o'clock.
फादर ह्या वर्सा फेस्ताच्या मिसाचो मुखेल यादनी कोण आसतलो?
The main celebrant for this Mass will be the Emeritus Bishop Alex Dias from Andaman. And along with him will be also the Archbishop of Goa, Philip Neri Karau, as well as the Sindhudurg Bishop, that is Alvin Barreto. So every day there are 10 Masses. So this year we have had 100 priests who have celebrated the Mass. Something which we wanted to do in the past has been done this year. That is the podcast. We wanted people to give their experiences. This year we have worked it out and we are very happy, and the people are also happy to hear experiences of others. And as they say that, they would also like to give a little more their own. So that is something new. Yeah. So on that day, there will be also this broadcast by several people, and also Rainbow Channel, 9:50 onwards.
Father, एकूच मनान येता की ह्या तेंपार आमी जे पावल्या because of the pandemic at the moment. I mean, is there anything you would like to request the general public as such, like, you know, as they come for this big day or during the novenas, any thing that you would like to request of them?
सगल्यांक आमी सांगलेलें आसा आनी सगल्यांनी तें म्हणून हितून आयकलेलें आसा आनी सगळीं जाणां जाणो की हांगसर येताना मास्क सगल्यांनी घालूंक जाय. मास्कूच न्ही पूण सॅनिटायझेशना ती आदीं हांवें ताका म्हणलेलें तुमकां जाय जाल्यार तुमचे हाडूंक जाता बाटल्यो. पूण ह्या वर्सा आनीक कोण आमचो बेनिफॅक्टर आयलो फुडें आनी म्हणूंक लागलो हांव तें स्पॉन्सर करतां म्हणून सॅनिटायझेशन तें घेतलेलें आसा. मागीर अंतर दवरूंक जाय आनी येताना वेताना म्हणून हितून सकास वचूंक जाय. तें खूब पाटी ते भशेन घडोना, कित्याक लोकांक सगळ्या जाणांक कामाक वचूंक जाय वा दुसरें कितें करूंक जाय, ताका लागून मातसो अंतर दवरपाक म्हणत. पूण तरी पूण लोकां मदें तें आहा आनी तितली म्हणून हितून एकामेकाक पांकोन वचना भायर. सो तें जालेलें आसा.
फादर, चड आनी चड देव बरें करूं तुका. आनी सगळीं आमी जाणा आमी आशेन आनी उर्बेन रावता डिसेंबराचे 3 तारखेर, ज्या दिसा आमी आमच्या गोंयच्या सायबाची परब व्हडे उमेदीन आनी भक्तीपणान आमी मनयतले. आनी ह्या दिसा हांव आनी बॅम्बिनो
आमी तयार आसतलीं माटवान तुमकां to give you a live commentary of the feast mass, which will be starting at 9:50. The mass starts at 10 o'clock, but 10 minutes before that we will start a live broadcast on 105.4 FM. You can even tell your family who are outside Goa and outside India as well that we also have an app called News on Air, where you can download it on your mobile phones from the App Store or the Play Store. आनी तुमी संवसारान हुंय आसत, तुमकां इंटरनेट फॅसिलिटी आसा जाल्यार तुमच्यान हे फेस्ताचे मीस लायव्ह आयकुपाक मेळटलें. तर विसरो नाकात. आनीक फावटी तुमकां कुडीत करता 3 तारखेर सान फ्रांसीस शावेराच्या फेस्ताच्या दिसा 9:50 आमी आकाशवाणी पणजी FM रेनबो ह्या आमच्या स्टेशनाचेर तुमकां फेस्तांत वांटो घेवंक तुमकां एक चान्स दितले.
डिसेंबराची 3 तारीख.